you need a fast 12-volt battery charger? Well, this Schumacher SP1298 6 amp automatic battery charger has you covered. We'll go over it, unbox it, and go ahead and test it in this video. Thanks for watching. Alright, so let's go ahead and take this guy out of the box. Why I bought this particular one, I saw some great reviews on it. I had a 1.5 amp trickle charger before, and I just wanted something for my 29 series deep cycle battery. I've got a trolling motor on my little boat, and it just took like 24 hours to charge the thing, even from like half charge. This has a screen, and it'll tell you specifically how much power your battery has, which is just great for me because I don't want to wait an extra hour if it's already at 95%. I could just go ahead and use it at 95%. So I'm just letting you know I did put this back in the box. I've already used it a couple times on a couple different batteries. Got your instruction manual, show unit itself, and again I kind of took the cord out already. But this is it. I mean, again, it looks pretty basic. We have this nice hook here so you can hang it on things, so you can see it that way. But just kind of a rubbery feeling on the side. There's nothing here, nothing here. There's only one button on the entire unit, lead acid to lithium ion. So really that's the only button. I'll go ahead and show you what comes up on the screen once we connect it to a battery. But that's basically that. You have the input cord, and then you have the output cord on the other side. And what's nice about this guy is it actually does come with a couple accessories. I was also looking at the Genius line of battery chargers as well. And those do seem very nice. They've got a couple of the features that this one doesn't have. Basically resuscitating completely dead batteries. This one won't do that. But I've never really had that issue. So just obviously you've got your standard alligator clips, right? And that's what I use for my batteries. The other thing that you can do is plug this guy directly into a cigarette lighter or a 12-volt outlet, and that'll actually charge a car battery, which is also pretty cool, right? So you don't actually have to open your hood of your car. Plug this guy right into your cigarette lighter and it'll charge a car battery. So that's a pretty cool additional feature. And then the last thing, again, on some of the other ones, this is extra, but if you want to not hardwire, but put these on your battery terminals, and just kind of always have it on, for example, a motorcycle, ATV, lawnmower, car, whatever it might. And this is actually fused as well. Usually this is like 10 or 15 bucks just for this little extra. So it's really cool that Schumacher throws it in the box, literally throws it in the box. All right, so let's go ahead and plug it in and show you what comes up on the screen. And also, please subscribe. All right, so I have my big deep cycle battery down here. As you can see, it's the 29 DC. It's a very large Everstart deep cycle battery. Just bought it a few days ago. I replaced an older version of that battery. But anyway, so that is the battery that I'm going to be testing, and then I've got my Schumacher charger up here. So I will connect the alligator clips and show you what happens. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and plug this guy into the wall. You'll see now we have something that comes across the screen. It says select battery type, right? So there's only, like I said, there's only one button. You just go ahead and push it. I'll zoom in here for you so you can see a little bit better. So you push it once, it says lithium ion. Push it again, it says lead acid. So obviously I've got a lead acid battery, so I will leave that just the way that it is. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to connect the alligator clips. Okay, so that's one and that's two. So if you look, it automatically started up, and it says charging. And as you can see there, right here it says if it's solid it's charging, and then if it's pulsing, that means it's charged and it's maintaining. And obviously if you can see on the screen, it says charging 12 volt. It says charging 12 volt, and then it gives you the percentage. So it'll eventually go off just to save electricity or something, but go ahead and push that again. 12 volt, 95%, right? So it is a fast charger. And that's what it says on the screen whenever you'd like to check it. And this is a 6 amp 12 volt battery charger. It's not going to have those additional features. As I mentioned, if the battery is completely dead, it's probably not going to even detect that it's there. So that's just kind of bear that in mind, where that Genius charger might be a little bit better, I guess, in that aspect. But so far, so good. This thing has worked on a couple different batteries of mine, lawnmower battery, as well as this big old deep cycle battery. So anyway, guys, that is the Schumacher SP1298. And if you have any questions on it, please let me know. I'll be happy to help. Thanks a lot. Skyward Reviews. Take it easy.